mom called me, was it a Saturday or a Sunday? My mom called me, my mom lives in Nashville. She called me on a Saturday night. I had just gotten home. She said, Chris, I need you to go to your brother's house in Dunbar. So what happened? She goes, his house is on fire and I can't get a hold of him. So I go down and check on him. Everybody's okay, my brother's okay, Sasha's okay, the kids are okay.
The dog is okay.
So anyway, the next day I put it up on Facebook that, man, everybody keep my brother, his family in your thoughts and prayers. The guys in fucking line were the first guys. Can't even say guys that first show the first fucking line. Never shared the stage with fucking line work. Best fucking friends a guy trusts can have.
Very welcome, man.
Wasn't long after that, one of my best friends in the whole world, Tim Simon here, gets a hold of the guys in Toothless Roof.
Making me cry, bitch. Quit.
Says, hey, let's get Toothless Roof on that show. But they jumped at it. And everybody in this fucking town. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Everybody in this fucking town, every goddamn musician in this music scene, their fucking girlfriends, their fucking wives, their mothers, their sisters, their brothers, their cousins, their uncles, their aunts, their grandfathers, people all in the hospital, all your fucking friends have hit me up on Facebook. They got my number, they made fucking donations, they brought in clothes, they brought in toys, they fucking called me, I went and picked up shit, I picked up furniture, I picked up every goddamn thing in the world. Let me tell you from the bottom of my fucking heart, I love each and every single one of you guys. I truly mean that. I fucking love this fucking music scene. I love each and every one of you guys that play in it. I love every fucking fan that's come out here tonight. You guys are my family. From the bottom of my heart. I honestly thank you. Thank all of you very, very much.